Next excuse. Life is too short. I agree. Life is too short, and you should live life to the fullest and enjoy the most amazing experiences and opportunities as you possibly can. But eating a greasy burger, hot chips, soft drink, that's not living life to the fullest. It might make you live a shorter life, but it's not living life to the fullest, and it's a weak and easy excuse we use to justify eating unhealthy food. However, I still believe that you should be able to eat delicious, not so healthy food, and the best way to ensure that you do, while still living a healthy lifestyle, is implementing a 90-10 or 80-20 rule to your food intake, where for 80 to 90% of your meals, you eat clean and healthy, and for the other 10 to 20% of your meals, you eat food for your soul and whatever you desire. So nothing is out of bounds, and each week you have the option of eating a not so healthy meal if you choose. This way you can still eat your favorite not so healthy meals without guilt, while still eating healthy the majority of the time. It's simple, it's easy, and it's effective.